How to change Google Chrome language back to English. If you have mistakenly set a different language on your Google Chrome, then here's how you can set it back to English. Firstly, open the Chrome browser on your device. After that, access Settings. To access your settings, tap on the three dot icon at the bottom panel. If you are using an Android device, then this three dot icon will be at the top right corner. Now from this menu, select the settings option from the top panel on your iOS. After you click on settings, then this kind of settings menu will appear. In this menu, scroll down to the very bottom, and at the very bottom section, at the first you will see the option language. Tap on the language option. Now right now, as you can see, I have set it to English. You can add a different language by clicking on add languages. If you have set a different language, then search for English and tap on English. Select which type of English you would like to select. So just like that, you'll be able to change language on Chrome browser. To save your changes, tap on Done at the top right corner. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.